why I use n8n to automate even my smallest email, and why other agency owners love this doing too. Let me show you how to do this exactly. So in n8n, you are going to sign up, and with this, you are going to be on this screen. Now the thing is, you need a trigger. So all we are going to do this is you need a first step. Now you can go with the manual trigger, or you can go with the on form submission. So the best one here is on form submission. So let's go with the on form submission. And now what we are doing actually here is we are going to create a simple form where the person is going to add the details, and once the detail is fetched, it will send an email to the prospect. Okay, so let's do this. So we are going to add the form title. So here it can be hire me, and form description, fill it if you want to work with us. Now here you can add form elements. So for here, it can be name. Now what kind of element it is? It is a date, drop, email, whatever. So it is text. Now if you want a placeholder, if someone adds the wrong format or enters the name in a wrong format, then you need some help here. So or let's say it is John, and you can use this if it is required or not, if it is mandatory or not, or otherwise you people will come and spam in your form. So let's on this. Now let's add another field. It can be phone number. No, forget about phone number. Let's add email. Now from here we will select email, and it is required. It can be 123 at the rate so.com, and now we will add a phone number. Okay, and here it will be the text, and placeholder if you want, you can 99999999. It can be this, and once it's done, you can hit the save button. First let's copy the link and let's execute it. Okay, so this form opens, and you put in the details, and done. Now you close the window, you will get the data here. So here you get the data in the schema format. You can change it to table, you can change it to JSON format. See which one is better for you, and you can pin the data here so that in the other workflow the data is not being here and there. So the next thing is we are going to do the email. So type in Gmail. Okay, and here we are going to select send a message. Now here what we are going to do here is you need to connect your Gmail account. I have connected mine. You can do it. It is just as simple. Sign in with Google and you will be get connected. Now what is the operation we are going to send? So we are going to drag the field here. Now if you want to send something to the same person and again, you can just type a fixed text, and when you go with the expression, you can just see that the data is becoming dynamic. So what will be the subject line? Hey, let's say got your response. Okay, and from here what will be the message? The message can be hi, and let's make it dynamic. Thanks for submitting. Thanks for filling the form. That's it. You can add it whatever you want from here. And now from here, the most important step is you need to add the sender's name. Now from here it can be anything. So I'm going to do with thumbs up clone. And there is one more option. You are going to turn this off. If it is turned off, then you are going to get a simply a watermark from n8n, and we don't want to do this. So what we are going to do here is, let's see by executing it, and let's see if we get the email. Okay, we have got the email. and see, you get the watermark. This email was sent automatically with n8n. So turn this off and send it again, and they receive another email. Let's refresh it. So now you basically understand how it works. You fill the form, you can send the email. So if you like this video, you can hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.